Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of DE Video News Roundup. This one is for the week of June 21. We bring you news from HxGN, the conference hosted by Hexagon Software. Hexagon's root is in metrology, in simple terms, precision measurement technologies. But the company has expanded through growth and acquisitions into simulation, autonomous vehicle development, location-based intelligence, and manufacturing, among other things. On the show floor, one of the most popular demos is Steadily, a flight simulator that lets you strap on to a set of wings and fly through a virtual 3D city. Inside the VR headset, you soar above the city model like a bird. The faster you flap your wings, the faster you fly. And you can perform deep dives and sharp turns for dramatic effect. Yes, you can also crash into a virtual high-rise if you're not careful and bring your flight to a premature end. More and more 3D data of the real world captured from scanners and metrology devices are becoming an integral part of VR applications. Building a geometric replica of the real world for VR from scratch is not an easy task. Metrology devices and scanners get you halfway there with a quick scan. This VR data, which matches the real world data, serves as the foundation for training and analysis in VR, like this sophisticated rig that lets you experience what it's like to operate an earth digger right from the middle of the show floor. In his keynote address at the show, Norbett Hanke, CEO and president of Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, discusses finding intelligence hidden in plain sight.
Is hiding in the forest. What do I mean by this? Let me explain this with the German phrase. Du siehst den Wald vor lauter Bäumen nicht. It's like the English phrase, we can't see the forest because of the trees. So manufacturing actually is obsessed with the trees. Everyone is looking after their tree, their silo, their own part of the process. Trees are, to a certain extent, I would call it the status quo. So you need to look beyond the trees and see the forest. And as I look into this audience, I see a forest of smart. I see people who share a purpose with all of us here at Hexagon.
Finding insight sitting in the data means analyzing it in ways that even human eyes cannot comprehend. That's why AI and machine learning are expected to play important roles. It's new territory for manufacturers. Another new territory for manufacturers, the use of AR for technical and expert support. Epson is among the hardware makers expecting this usage to pick up. Recently, the company launched an AR hardware and software bundle called Epson Movario Assist, targeting people who need to communicate with experts remotely. The Movario Assist is offered under the pay-as-you-go subscription plan at $29.99 a month per glasses, starting September 2019. To clarify though, this is Epson offering you the hardware and the remote connection infrastructure necessary to set up your own remote expert service. So if you want to launch, for example, a call and engine assembly expert service or something like that, you'll need to supply your own expert who will answer the incoming calls, but you can use Epson's Movario platform for the communication piece of that. So some might be asking, why AR? Why not a simple Skype call or a FaceTime function from your smartphone? The simple answer is the AR glasses gives your field technician speaking to the expert a semi-hands-free experience. I said semi-hands-free because the field technician still need to use one hand to control this phone-like device that functions both as a transmitter and as a menu navigator. But the photos, files, and instruction videos coming from the expert will open and display right inside the AR view, so you don't have to go back and forth between the email, a photo or a video app, and your Skype or FaceTime function. In addition to Epson, Lenovo is also expecting this type of AR usage may increase. The company's enterprise-targeted Think Reality A6 AR product comes with software application templates. That includes a remote expert feature that you can use to create your own customized remote expert application in AR. This is perhaps a low barrier entry for AR as a way to transfer the already familiar video messaging method to AR for a more effective communication, for superimposing instructions and procedural animations onto real objects in the field for the field technician to easily view them and understand them. Once this door to AR is open, perhaps other, more sophisticated forms of collaboration scenarios will follow. This is all the news for this week. For more engineering news, please go to Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com. Also, check out our YouTube channel titled DE Streaming. For now, from HxGN Show Floor, until next time, I am Kenneth Wong.